अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में 3 जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी। तीनों जॉब्स कराची के लिए है। एक है पोजीशन इन इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर, दूसरी होगी मैनेजर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी और एक और जॉब होगी KPMG की। तो पहली जॉब है पोजीशन इन इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर, नेशनल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड bracket a large public sector insurance company, a key player in insurance, is seeking to induct qualified and dynamic professionals for the following positions: company secretary and head of compliance bracket में लिखा हुआ है chief manager, age maximum 50. The position will be responsible for managing the business of the board in accordance with the governing laws and rules. He/she shall facilitate smooth and effective functioning of the board and its committees, ensure timely flow of information between the management and board as well as the development management, and ensure corporate compliance with rollout of governance principles, laws, codes, rules and regulations within the organization. Also interact with SECP, SBP, PSX, CDC, etc. and shareholders. The ideal candidate would be a member of a recognized body of professional accountants or a member of a recognized body of corporate or chartered secretaries, or a person holding a master's degree in business administration or commerce, or being a law graduate from an HEC recognized college/university with at least 5 years of relevant work experience in any financial institution. The candidate will also be required to ensure compliance with internal policies and procedure through periodical compliance program. All positions are based in Karachi. The candidates must possess good communication and interpersonal skills. We are an equal opportunity employer and females are encouraged to apply. Interested candidates should visit the website of our consultants www.siddharthhaider.com.pk/jobs or national job portal https://njp.gov.pk and apply online within 15 days of the publication of the advertisement. Director Human Resource Consulting, Siddharth Haider Murshid Associates Private Limited. Management Consultants, Beaumont Plaza, Beaumont Road, Karachi. Email human.resource@siddharthhaider.com.pk. ये ब्यूमाउंट प्लाज़ा की एक और जॉब भी है KPMG की, वो भी मैं अभी आप लोगों को बताऊंगी। अभी ये जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी है मैनेजर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी की। One of the leading public sector general insurance companies in Pakistan invites applications from highly competent, self-motivated and dynamic candidates for the following permanent cadre position: manager information technology, bachelors of computer science bracket में BE/BS/BSc, honors preferably, Masters in Computer Science, at least 5 years experience of IT and relevant managerial experience including network management, Oracle administration and Access management, system management and DR concept. Prior experience SCISO will be given preference. Candidate must have IT related certifications. The place of posting of this position is Karachi City. Please send your detailed resume mentioning the position on careerinsurance0123@gmail.com till October 22 to 2023. Only shortlisted applicants would be contacted. जी अब KPMG की जॉब है। KPMG तेसर हादी एंड को चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट तासीर, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर CEO PMEX पाकिस्तान। समझ में नहीं आ रहा ये। अच्छा, कंपनी एंड पोजीशन ओवरव्यू। अवर क्लाइंट पाकिस्तान मर्केंटाइल एक्सचेंज लिमिटेड, PMEX Exchange Pakistan's first and only multi-commodity Futures Exchange is looking for a dynamic and visionary individual to join as a managing director/CEO. This position will play a pivotal role in providing leadership, strategic direction, and operational excellence to ensure continued success, financial growth, and maintaining the PMEX reputation in alignment with its vision, mission, and long-term business objectives. Eligibility criteria: postgraduate from a university recognized by the HEC or equivalent in related disciplines, experience of 7 years in a senior level managerial position at a securities or futures exchange, or has served at a senior management position, preferably as CEO for a period of 5 years in any other company of substantial size in the regulated financial services sector. The tenure of this position is 3 years, extendable as per Futures Exchanges (licensing and operations) regulations 2017, and will be subject to fit and proper criteria prescribed therein and SECP approval. Interested candidates can send their curriculum vitae at pk_FMESS@kpmg.com or KPMG Tasir Hadi and Co. Chartered Accountants, 3rd floor, Sheikh Sultan Trust, Building number 1, Beaumont Road, Karachi 75530, Pakistan, by 23rd October 2023. Please mark the subject of email or envelope as PMEX MD/CEO. The detailed job description along with roles and responsibilities are mentioned at LinkedIn page of KPMG in Pakistan, https://www.linkedin.com/company/KPMG Pakistan /www.linkedin.com/company/KPMG Pakistan जी। ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर मेरी वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।